Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can enable or disable the automatic power on while unfolding a leg of this DJI Flip FLY MORE drone. So to start, you will obviously need to enter the camera view on your remote controller. Now tap at the three dots you'll find at the top right corner of the display to launch settings. Here select the safety category, scroll down and look for the unfold arm to power on option. Now you can disable or enable it as you please. If you would like for the drone to be automatically powered on once you unfold the leg, you gotta keep this toggle enabled, and vice versa. If you do not want any automatic power ons with your drone, which I would prefer personally, switch this toggle off and power on or off the aircraft manually through the dedicated button here. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.